Well, good afternoon, passengers. My name is Jonah. To another train video. We actually have a train coming right now. Well, that was a really quick one. So that was a BNSF. That could have been a -9, but that was a really quick freight train. That was a BNSF. That was pretty crazy, everyone. So that was going pretty fast. This is the first train I got yet. This is the first time I came here, and this is the first train I ever got. So this is absolutely crazy. So anyway, guys, I got a freight train that was going like probably like 60 miles an hour. But that was pretty crazy, everyone. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed, and consider subscribing for more content. And I'll see you guys sometime later, because I might be staying here for another couple of minutes. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, and I'll see you guys in a bit.